YouTube getting monetized. I just want to reassure everyone that it is possible to be monetized on YouTube without having a massive audience. I do have less than 4,000 subscribers, as you can see. It is what it is. And I am monetized. So it really depends on the topic of your videos. So it doesn't matter if you don't have a lot of subscribers. I mean, yes, you do need your 1,000 subscribers and you do need your views. Your some like 4,000, is it still 4,000 hours of watch time? Not too sure if it changed or if it's still that, but yes, you of course do need that, but it is definitely not impossible. If you have a topic that resolves an issue of someone, so it is pretty much what needs to be done. It is just trying to solve a problem of someone. Don't tell me you don't know anything that wouldn't help anyone. The world is huge. You have all types of different people, and everybody needs help about something. And when we do need help, what do? We go on YouTube and we try to find the solution to that problem we have. So I'm not saying you have to be an expert. I'm just saying you need to know something, or you need to have experienced something that someone is experiencing right now and doesn't know how how to cope with it, or um, maybe you know someone who experienced that and you can talk um, about that problem. As long as you can share your experience and help someone with what happened, how you did go through that phase, or how you did solve that issue. As long as you can give a piece of advice, it's really like not being an expert. It's just giving your piece of advice or sharing the experience you've had with that problem. Um, Everybody knows something that could help someone. If you're telling me you don't, I don't trust you. I will call you a liar. Literally. So, it is possible for anyone to start a YouTube channel, to share your experience. You don't even need to be good at speaking on camera. English is not my first language. I struggle with some words in English, but I still do speak in front of the camera. And you know what? Like, it's gonna help me over time. I'll get better and better. So it's the same for you. You don't even need to be an expert in the language. You don't. As long as someone, like everybody, can understand you, that's all that matters. I could share anything in French, which is my first language, but I decide not to because the majority of my audience speaks English and I want to get better. So if I do speak my own language all the time, how am I going to get better? That's it. So it doesn't matter. You just need to be yourself, be natural, and just talk it out. Just share what you know. But yeah, I just wanted to just yeah, let everyone know that it is possible to be monetized with a little audience. So when people are saying that no, it is impossible to get monetized nowadays because of all the YouTube channels that are already out there, um, no, it's not true. You can open your like start your YouTube channel, share what you know, or talk about what you like, or there's an audience for what you want to share or what you want to talk about. So just go for it. Start somewhere. You just need to start somewhere. And I have a very interesting video about taking action that I will post a little bit later today. But you know what? I just don't even want to edit anymore. So I don't care. The videos are going to be just posted the way they are. I'm in my car. I don't want to make any effort with that. And we'll see where that goes, because I was so careful about my videos before, trying like to, be inside and inside my house, and trying to film a certain way. I want to prove a point. I might fail, but if you don't try something, you'll never know if it does work or not. So I'm gonna try to just not edit, and share my point of view and my experience just freely and without any editing. So it can prove a point to people that are afraid of posting a video. You don't need to be a professional, you don't need to be an expert, you just need to share. Just turn that video, turn that camera on, film, share something, post it. Start somewhere, please. See you on the next one.